In this video, we're going to be covering how you can set up and install Nameless MC for SoulNode web servers. So to do that, you want to go download Nameless MC. You can go to your downloads page and then go to the GitHub and download whatever one that you want, whatever is released during that time. So then we can go to our file manager. And then we're going to be going to our public HTML folder, and in here we can make a new folder called forums. And if you don't want it to be in any subdirectory, you can just remove everything in the public HTML and then just upload your Nameless MC here. But for my instance, I want to make it in a new folder, so I'm going to call this folder forums. So essentially what we're going to be accessing is going to be our base domain and then /forums. Alright, so that's what it's going to take us to. So I'm just uploading the Nameless MC zip to my forums directory. So once it has been uploaded, we can extract our zip, and that will make a new folder, and essentially we'll need to drag everything out here in a second. So here's the new folder. Go ahead and enter that, and we need to select all the files here and then make sure everything is selected, and we can go to copy and move, and we need to move it into the forums directory or whatever directory that you're going to be using. So we can go ahead and move that over. So now everything has been uploaded, which is perfect. And if you have any index HTML in here, just go ahead and remove it because it's going to be using this PHP file instead. So now we can go to our domain, and this is going to be /forums, alright? So it should bring up the installation, and there we go. Our installation has been processed, and we can go ahead and do the installation page. So everything meets the requirements. We'll go ahead and proceed, and now we need to specify the host name, which is good, and then the installation path is going to be forums, so that is perfect. I do recommend enabling the friendly URLs because it does take this index PHP route and it just becomes /forum. So I just recommend doing that. So let's go ahead and proceed. Now we need to make our database on the web server. So we can go back to our dashboard here, go to our SQL management, and we need to make a new database here. So this one, I'm just going to call this nameless, and we're just going to use the same thing for the password. So there we go. Now our database has been created. We got our specific things, and I do recommend making it a stronger password, obviously, but I will leave that up to you. So now we can pretty much input this. Database address is going to be the same one. This is localhost. So now we just need to copy and paste this information. So we'll do Nameless MC here. So this is the username, and then our database name is that, and then our password was just Nameless MC. So pretty much at this point, you're just copying whatever values in here and then just match them up. These two things can be left as default. Click proceed, and then installation is going. We can do our site. So this is going to be Adam at PvP. I already have this email set up, but if you don't have any email set up, you can go to email accounts, and then you can make your email account. Currently on this specific plan, there's limited to 2 email accounts. If you need more, here's the default one, so we could use that as well. But either way, this is my admin one, and we're going to be using that. So we can click proceed. Now it's going to be initially in the database. We can set up our user. So I'm just going to type admin. So our email address is going to be the same one that we made, password, and our password that you can make up whatever you want. And we're not going to be converting it from anything else. And there we go. Now we can log into our Nameless. Go ahead and click submit, and bada bing bada boom. Now we have Nameless MC. I'm going to just switch dark mode. So we can visit the site, and there we go. This is what it looks like. You got your admin access. You can switch up everything through the dashboard, different layouts. You can install different modules and everything. And then you can customize your layouts, get some templates, various modules here. So that is up to you. But other than that, everything is working properly. Here's your forums page, and you're ready to go.